Welcome. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to delete your bio on Instagram using your PC, especially after the recent updates. Whether you're looking to refresh your profile or just want a clean slate, this process is straightforward. Let's get started. First, open Instagram in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this by entering your username and password on the Instagram homepage. Next, look for the More icon on the left side menu. This icon often appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. Once you've done that, navigate to Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, locate and click on Edit Profile. This section allows you to make changes to your profile details, including your bio. In the Edit Profile area, find the section labeled Bio. Here, you'll see the text that currently represents you on Instagram. To delete it, simply select the words in your bio that you want to remove. After selecting the text, press Delete on your keyboard. This action will erase the selected words from your bio. Finally, don't forget to click Submit to save your changes. This step is crucial. Otherwise, your edits won't take effect. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully deleted your Instagram bio using a PC. Remember, keeping your profile updated can help maintain a fresh and engaging presence on social media. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check back for more tips and tricks on managing your online profiles effectively.